Sebelum tu, direct order, CANTIKWALL ada buat direct order ke? Yes, the answer is yes. Kita ada buat direct order, but how it works? Oh hi! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and give a big thumbs up. For today's YouTube videos, we're gonna talk about our latest project that we already hands over to the customer. This project is about a full house cabinetry works, which is direct order. Sebelum tu, direct order, CANTIKWALL ada buat direct order ke? Yes, the answer is yes. Kita ada buat direct order, but how it works? So basically, this customer came to our CANTIKWALL, and then this customer dah ada gambar, all the pictures, all the preferences, and also the measurement. And then she asked CANTIKWALL, boleh tak CANTIKWALL tolong buatkan ni? Saya dah ada ukuran, saya dah ada gambar yang saya nak. Sebab usually kalau anda perasan dalam video-video YouTube kita sebelum ni, kita ada buat all the custom cabinetry from the ID, the interior, which is the customer engage yang kita buat ID, and then also all the cabinetry. So then we proceed untuk terus fasa pada install cabinetry. But this customer, she have all the ideas, she have all the pictures and all the measurement. So when she came to the CANTIKWALL, so she just asked us, boleh tak CANTIKWALL tolong binakan terus install, so that which is direct order. So kita boleh buat untuk direct order. So untuk there are some spaces yang she came to us and buat adalah, the first is bilik anak beliau, which is the daughter's bedroom, and then there's also the other space which is a master bedroom, and then office area, and then there's some cabinetry at the living area. Okay, but for today's, we gonna talk about the daughter's bedroom, bilik anak dia lah. Okay, as you can see, so now as a before pictures, you can see as before pictures for the bilik anak dia. As you can see, rumah ni masih baru lagi dan kosong, only have a wallpaper je without any cabinetry. Okay, so this is previous. So now let us take a look at after result of the bed. So this is the look. So you guys can see all the cabinetry. So before this, she requested to have a custom bed, and then all the cabinetries, and also a study table. Okay, so the material that we select, that we advise you to use, is the HPL, so high pressure laminate. So what I do like about this design is the use of the material selection, the laminate. There is two laminate that has been used for the wardrobe door. So kalau anda nampak kan ada dua laminate, sekali kita guna, selalunya kita nampak satu laminate je kan, tapi ada dua laminate. So yang kat bahagian bawah tu anda boleh nampak wood texture laminate, dan bahagian atas tu anda boleh nampak seamless laminate. So which is I really do like. And then all the diagonal punya design, which is ada customer macam customer minta request untuk ada macam the all the triangle, so like a mini house bed. So this is a good design. Okay, so this is all about the after result, as you guys can see. Okay, that's all for this part for the daughter's bedroom. So if you want to see the others, how the outcome, the result for the others room, don't forget to press our notification button to receive all the notifications for our next video. So that's all for today. Thank you. So have a good day everyone. Assalamualaikum.